Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your image and isolating the subject quickly so you can work non-destructively. Use a selection tool, Quick Select, Lasso, or AI Mask to grab the main subject. The goal is a fast, slightly generous outline. Once done, refine the selection edges using Refine Edge or Select and mask to capture hair and soft edges. Make sure to place the subject on a separate layer or layer mask so you can change the background without altering original pixels. Now focus on cleaning the mask so transitions look natural. Zoom to 100% and paint the mask. Brush in black to hide, white to reveal, and use the Refine Edge brush on hair or fur to recover detail. Make sure to adjust feather and contrast. Feather smooths the edge, contrast tightens it. Once comfortable, output to a new layer with mask. This gives you a clean subject isolated from the original background and ready to accept any replacement. Place your new background beneath the mask subject and scale to fit the composition. You must match color and light. Use levels, curves, and color balance on the subject or background so they read as one shot. Add a subtle shadow with a soft, low-opacity brush on a separate layer to ground the subject. Once satisfied, flatten a copy for export but keep the layered file. If edges look haloed, invert the mask and slightly contract or expand the edge by...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.